Now to a CBS 4 News consumer alert for you. Airlines are looking at the future of flying as they struggle to make money these days. United plans to cut 30% of its management staff, and Southwest, which has never furloughed employees or declared bankruptcy, says 80% of its seats are empty. CBS News transportation correspondent Kris Van Cleave spoke to Southwest CEO about the changes they plan on making.
Is it even safe to fly?
Yes.
Southwest Airlines CEO Gary Kelly is fighting to save the jobs of more than 60,000 employees. To do it, he'll need Americans to believe it is safe to fly during the coronavirus pandemic.
We're urging the TSA to begin temperature scans as part of the screening process at the checkpoints.
By Monday, virtually all U.S. airlines will require passengers and crew to wear masks. How do you enforce mask wearing on a plane?
If we can tell people in advance that they should expect that we're requiring them to wear a mask, then I think the vast majority of people understand why and will absolutely comply. We don't want to be the police.
Airlines are adding plexiglass at check-in and ticket counters. You'll see them at TSA checkpoints as well. Carriers are continuing to enhance cleaning on both planes and at airports. Southwest is using electrostatic foggers to disinfect planes. They can kill bacteria and virus on surfaces for up to 30 days. And Kelly says their aircraft utilize hospital-grade air filters. The airplane can be hospital-grade cleaned until you put people on it who may or may not be healthy, and that's where the risk comes in, right?
It is, and that's why I think leading up to that, wash your hands, don't come to the airport if you're sick, let's do temperature screening. Ultimately, obviously, the solution is to have testing, therapeutics, a vaccine.
Is social distancing even possible on an airplane?
Well, I think that's why the multi-layered approach is important. We'll have wipes on the airplane that each customer can take. Requiring masks on the airplane are important because you won't necessarily all be 6 feet apart.
Would removing the middle seat make a difference?
We're not going to block the seat. We're not going to take the seats out, but we won't book the number of passengers that would demand that we use the middle seats.
Southwest has grounded about 400 planes and cut capacity by up to 70% as passenger traffic plummeted. But Kelly sees this as temporary.
I do think that things will get back to normal, but not until we defeat this pandemic.
Kelly says it could take up to 5 years for business travel to get back to its 2019 level. I asked him if he would be surprised to see a U.S. carrier go out of business during this downturn. He said some failures may be inevitable, but his focus was on saving Southwest, and it's something he thinks he can do without further government aid. Of course, there remains a lot of uncertainty about how long this all lasts. Kris Van Cleave, CBS News, Reagan National Airport, Virginia.
Southwest says its break-even load factor was somewhere between the 60 and 70% range.